Hey guys, what is up? Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be super fun because we are going to unbox something super special. So if you like me and you like luxury bags but don't like the luxury bag price tag, I have something good for you, okay? I got this bag sent to me from Bags, and y'all make sure you're following them on Instagram and just check out the links down below because they have so many amazing inspired bags. I absolutely love their site. So I have been wanting a Gucci Marymount bag for the longest time, and look at here. So we open up the box. This is packaged. First of all, it's packaged so nicely so your bag doesn't get damaged, and the box is so sturdy and so nice. Like, I'm definitely gonna put that in my closet and display it with my other designer boxes like I do. So I'm just opening it up. It comes in a dust bag, and look at that bag right there. It looks so good and it feels so good. It feels so soft. This is honestly one of my favorite purses at the moment. I've been carrying it so much lately. Like I said, this is definitely one of the bags that have been on my wish list, so I'm super excited to get it. And just look at it. Look at the leather. Look at the chain on the strap. I mean, everything just looks super good and such good quality. And like I said, I've been carrying it and have not had a single issue with the purse. I absolutely love it. So when you open it up, there's stuffing inside the purse also to make sure that it keeps its shape. And then it's just a nice little shoulder bag. It has a pocket on the inside for you to put change or whatever else you want to put in it, but it's a nice little structured shoulder bag. And this bag is really cute to take like when you're going out for date night or something like that. I like wearing it more so when I'm like out with my husband and I don't need a bunch of stuff. So I wanted to also show you guys how it looks on me. This is how it looks. I mean, when I'm out and about and just carrying the bag, I just think it looks really cute, really chic, and I absolutely love it. The strap is super comfortable on the shoulders, and I would definitely recommend it. So if you want to check out Bags and any of their other styles or this style right here, I will have all of their links down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.